So what do you think of when you hear that word biology? Great. Experiments. Good. We're going to do sort of an experiment today. How about you?
I think of
Plants and cell biology? How do you know about cell biology? Wow. Okay, so your mom studied cell biology. Neat. Anybody else want to say something about biology? Yeah.
I want to be a marine biologist.
You want to be, and so what does that mean, a marine biologist?
Well, marine means sea life, and biologist means life, so I guess under the sea life.
Okay, did everybody hear that? She wants to be a marine biologist. So that means she wants to study sea life. Very neat. So biology is the study of life. And what we're going to do here is we're going to talk about a part of biology, which is genetics. So who knows what genetics refers to? Stella.
It's how you look, your traits, and my dad worked with genetics.
Okay, all right. So another, it's how you look, it's your traits, and your dad does what?
He's personal genomics. He works with personal genomics.
Oh my gosh, personal genomics. Wow, genomics, that's getting very sophisticated. So what is that? That's like the next level. What, do you know what genomics is? What does that mean?
Not really, but I know this word in it, gene.
Gene, yeah, and that's all tied into genetics. Very good. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a family here of gingerbread people, and we're going to talk about how the traits that you have are the result of the genes that you get from your parents. So you're going to have the opportunity to figure out the traits of your particular gingerbread people. So just as an introductory slide, I chose this one to talk about genetics. Why would I have a slide like this in reference to genetics? Olivia?
Because it has people.
It has people on it, yeah. And what do you notice about the people?
They're different.
They're different. Any other comments? What makes them different? What's your name? Christine.
Their hair colors, their eye colors, their clothes, their skin tones.
Okay, great. Hair color, eye color, skin tone. Those are all examples of traits. And those traits are determined by the genes that people inherit from their mom and their dad. Okay, so genetics is the science of how you inherit your traits. And there are many different types of traits. This is a really, really important one. The difference between these two people. What's the difference between these two people? Olivia? Whether you're a boy or a girl, that's all determined by what you got from your mom or your dad. Basically your dad in this case. And we'll talk about why it is your dad that determines whether you're a boy or a girl. It's what your dad passes on to you. Okay, so gender is a really important genetic trait. What about this one? What are the differences here? And you are Tasman. Yeah. Tasnim. Okay, beautiful name, Tasnim. So what do you see here?
They have different eye colors.
Eye color, eye shape, eye size. All of those differences are determined by the genes you get from mom and dad. This is one you probably haven't thought about too much. What do you notice here compared to here? So if you pull your hair back, that's what's called your hairline. And your hairline, if it has a little V here, that's called a widow's peak. And if it's straight, you have a straight hairline. And that is determined by genes that you get from mom and dad. So how many of you have a widow's peak? In our last class, everybody had a widow's peak. Can you pull your hair back and take a look? You have a straight one. You have a little bit of a widow's peak here. You have a straight one. It's interesting. It's so different in this group. Marie, can you come up here and demonstrate? She has. What does she have? I can do this because she's related to me. She has a little bit of a widow's peak. Okay. funny thing to be determined by genes. How about this one? This is another odd one. Can you roll your tongue? That is a genetically determined trait.
Oh my gosh.
You can.
My sister can make a flower. I can do it. Can you roll your green right here? Oh yeah, I can do that too.
Yeah, you can do it.